Kamwadale warok geri wo Kynmoo warom ya kituki pulit wada khlaad no nasla parthai he por wa pendep ki kamram ya ka wada tip kam ka polis commemoration day ne liang ki pulit ka West Jaiñtia Hills district ne step de chimgi ka benta wo Kynmoo warom ya ka ni kisngi hap chem ka police reserve administration building West Jaiñtia Hills DEF Juai. Hey step Superintendent of Police Bikram di Marak dakhana o wagani kisngi to Kynmoo warom yaki pra pulit ki wada de mensim neibynta kari. He wada do no ki mensim kat wadang pendep ki kam ram yongki. Kam te hau news nem de em hado arspa an rupa sungut ki pulit hapo kari ki wada do no ye mensin yongki hawa cakri ya kari. Hagani ke Police Commemoration Day hajwai the chimbanta le daw additional SP ubi chetri ke DSP headquarter ke CW Lengdo UCO ke third MLP battalion uchempang serti Superintendent ke District Prison and Correctional Services West Jaiñtia Hills UU Kendia UDSP ke DPCS ubat skem nongbri wa kiwi kis hep pulit na kichnat waper. Hagani ke step de purele ye pertuj ki arspa an rupa sungut ki pulit na kejela waper keri ki wakentup ye ki pulit ke sarkar perdi Central Armed Police Force ki wada khlaad na do ule pawi teri unai khende arhajar arpawi hado chiteri unai chipaw arhajar arpawar. Dapen man le ibu sentu dagi hek pulit ki wahayung hasem ki pulit wada khlaad wada siat sulai kam kadak wa buram ye kini ki pulit. Ne step USP ke district de ke Lamau ye ke bait rally West meets not in East. Hey wada yak khmat daw komandan kathat battalion MLP sa absen uchempang serti kadwa ye kesik battalion MLP umran da yak khmat daw lakadors im wede chemki he East Khas Hill.
Today we are observing Police Commemoration Day. Every year on 21st of October we commemorate the martyrs, the officers and men who laid down their lives for the country. It started all the way from 1959 when the Chinese fired upon our Indian soldiers and 10 of them martyred on that particular day. And almost after 1 month, their body was handed over by the Chinese to the Indian. And they were buried with full honor. And from that day itself, 21st October, Police Commemoration was observed every year on this particular day.